This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Amy Milan. Move-in ready 3-bedroom, water included in the rent, 1.5 bath single family home located in the heart of St. Petersburg. This well-maintained, single-story home features a bright open floor plan with vinyl plank flooring throughout, granite countertops, and modern white cabinetry. Ample closet space provides excellent storage. Enjoy Florida living in the spacious screened-in lanai, ideal for relaxing after work or entertaining guests. The home is located in a quiet residential area while still offering quick access to everyday essentials. Conveniently situated near downtown St. Petersburg, major highways, hospitals, colleges, shopping, and dining. Approximately 15 minutes to Gulf beaches and about 25 minutes to Tampa International Airport, with easy access to Tampa and Clearwater. A great opportunity to lease a comfortable home in a central location. Schedule your showing today. For more information,